Control LED using GSM module, Global System for Mobile Communication, or GSM, is a digital cellular system used for mobile devices. It is an international standard for mobile, which is widely used for long-distance communication. There are various GSM modules available in the market, like SIM900, SIM700, SIM800 etc. SIM900 module allows users to send or receive data over GPRS, send or receive SMS, and make or receive voice calls. In this video, we will learn how to control a LED from mobile phone using SIM900 GSM module and Arduino. Here is the connection diagram of this project. SIM900 GSM module has 4 main pins: VCC, ground, RX, and TX. VCC pin is connected with the 5-volt pin of Arduino, and ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. TX pin will transmit the data to the Arduino, so it will be connected with the RX pin of Arduino. RX pin will receive the data from Arduino, so it will be connected with the TX pin of Arduino. Red LED is connected with pin number 11 of Arduino through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. This is the code of our project. String text message. Text message is a string type variable, which will save the received SMS. Void setup is a function in which we initialize the serial communication. We have generated 10 seconds delay for power supply stabilization. 9600 is the speed of data communication. Data will transmit between GSM module and Arduino with the speed of 9600 bits per second. LED is connected at pin number 11 of Arduino, so we will make pin number 11 an output pin. Serial.print 80 plus CMGF equal to 1. This command will turn on the text mode in GSM module. Serial.print 80 plus CNMI equal to 0. This GSM command will automatically read the received message. Void loop. This function will run over and over again forever, so whatever we have written inside it will repeat forever. Serial.available 0. It means if any data will be received, then program will go under this loop. Text message equals serial.readString. This function will save the received message in the variable text message. If received data is on, then LED will turn on. If received data is off, then LED will turn off. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code has been uploaded to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. Connect the red, black, green, and yellow wire with the VCC, ground, TX, and RX pin of SIM900 GSM module. Connect the red wire of SIM900 GSM module with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the green wire with the RX pin, and yellow wire with TX pin of Arduino. Connect a 1 kilo ohm resistor at positive terminal of red LED. Now connect negative terminal of red LED with ground pin of Arduino, and 1 kilo ohm resistor with pin number 11 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. After getting registered on the network, GSM module is ready to receive data. When we will send on an SMS, the LED will turn on. When we will send off an SMS, the LED will turn off. Our project is working as expected. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project, or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.